I have built brands since 2008. Only this year I've done brands like this and like this. But what if I had to start all over today? This is how I would do it if I needed to start all over today with the knowledge I got today. Like I said, my name is EcombyNik. I have built brands for a very long time. One of my biggest brands was a fashion brand. I started 2007 and we won Fashion of the Year 3 years in a row in Sweden. In like 2019, I went over to dropshipping and I have built brands since then, and I have sold brands, I have scaled brands, I have done brands that collapsed total. I have done everything in this space, and that's why I started this YouTube channel, to give advice, to just talk ecom. And I have also started ecombynik.com. There you can get a course on exactly how to do this. I'm doing something I call micro branding. So if I needed to start all over today, I would have done exactly like this, with the knowledge I got today, of course. It's hard for you, of course, if you don't have done this for a long time. Then I haven't had the knowledge to do this, and I would have tried and done mistakes for maybe 1-2 years before I found my winning product. When I started dropshipping, actually it took me 28 products to find the winner. And I was thinking, why? Why is it taking so long time? And that was also back 2019. It was easier, of course, to sell, but it was harder to build. It was harder because you had to build a new store for every product test. You have to do, it wasn't so easy running meta. Everything was really hard. Today, it's much easier. We have AI tools, we have everything, and we can make it flow a lot better. So what I would have done, and on my channel you can find videos where I go deep on each of these steps. So what I would have done, the first thing I would have done is choose a niche. And this makes sense later why I would have done this. The other thing, of course, is build a store on Shopify. And if you use my link at the top of the description, you right now get Shopify for 3 months for only $1 a month. So $3 for 3 months. That's a crazy deal. So use it. And of course, you support the channel. So I will be grateful if you do that. And the next thing I will have done is find my customer. And this is really important. I'm talking about this every time. Find your ICP. The fourth thing is that I would have then, when I have my niche, I have my customer, I would have gone absolutely crazy on product research, and I would have found like 15 to 20 products for my customer and for in my niche. It doesn't need to be exactly in a niche. The most important thing is actually to your customer, because we are working with something we call a pixel when we are doing ads on Meta or TikTok. And this pixel is learning for every product test. So if you're targeting the same customer with different products, the pixel will be better and better and better. After I have found my 10 to 15 products, I will put them in an Excel file, of course, and I will have write down the competition, the AliExpress link, everything I needed to quick test these products. Then I will have tested the product. And I will have done this on Meta for $50 a day for 3 days, every product. After 1 day, if you don't have any add to carts or anything, after like $70, $80 spend, you can kill the product already. And here is what I would have done. The product fail, I will kill it. I will copy the product page and put in my next product. And if it's a winner, I would have scale. And how you can do this really easy is if you are at Shopify, you go to online store, you go to customize, and when you will build a new product, you just create a template and you write your new product here. So you put your product here and you choose your existing product, and then you create a template. And then your new product page will look exactly like your old product. And the only thing you need to do is change the pictures and change the text, the product text. So it's really easy to put in a new product every time. No, you can test like 10-15 products in 2 weeks, no problem. So what are we doing? We are doing micro branding product, ads, offer, flow. They need to flow. The product, the ads, the offer, they see the ads, they go into our product page, and they will see our offer. These three things need to flow and need to look branded. That's what we call micro-brand. And how do we do this? We use ChatGPT to find our customer and write our copywriting for the page. We use TikTok and Instagram to find our products, the free way. Actually, the free way is the best way. So I think you should do this in the start. Because here you can see all products, not only the... If you use the paid versions, that's really good also, of course, but a lot of people are using them. So it's saturated products, but also I think it's best in the start to learn. So I think your first store, you should do it manually. And when you should do your ads, you go to TikTok, you download them with Snaptick, and you do a voiceover, and you do that in Eleven Labs, and you do your ads in CapCut. And all these things also ChatGPT will help you with. They can write your voiceover, write your script for your ads, everything like that. You use ChatGPT to do. And then you put it up on Meta for a test. So, and when it fails, you just go back and you do it all over again. And in these 10 to 15 products, you will find your winner. I'm almost certain of that, if you do it like this. The thing I think that people today are doing wrong when they are starting is, of course, they want a shortcut. Ecom isn't easy, dropshipping isn't easy, and everyone wants a shortcut. They want, okay, let's build my store with AI totally. I tested 2 products in this niche, it wasn't profitable. Oh, but I see that one got a winner in this niche. Okay, I need to jump to that niche. No, stay in your lane. Don't look so much around you, surrounding you. Don't look so much at your other people doing this. Of course, you can learn from them, but not chase the next thing all the time. Choose your niche, build your store. You have your foundation. Just copy the product page and insert your new product, run the test, and do it all over again till you find your winner. And if you focus and do this for like 30 days, you will find your winner. And this is exactly how I would have done it if I would start over today. And then, of course, when you move on maybe to your second store or something, after you have your first winner, be all fine. Build it with an AI builder or something like that, because then you got the knowledge. Then you can see a little bit more, okay, what text I need to change, what do I need. But I promise you, you will get so much knowledge of building your first store by yourself and doing this by yourself. And I would say like this: choose a niche. It will take you maximum 1 to 2 hours. Build a store that will take you 1 day maybe in the start to build the foundation, build everything. Then you find your customer, talk with ChatGPT. You do that at the night, so maybe 1 hour or something like that. Find 10 to 15 products. I think you should dedicate a whole day to this. And then you start working. Then you start testing the product. So you're up and running like in 3-4 days. No business in the world is so fast. So why should we do it even faster and make mistakes on the way? And this is not me speaking that these AI store builders and things like that are bad. They are really, really good. But I think you should learn the business from the ground in the start. If I am using an AI builder now, or if someone that have done this for a very long time is doing it, it's no problem, of course, because like I said, we maybe see everything we need to change. But to do a store only with AI and then think it's gonna go well, I'm sorry to say, you will not sell. So to wrap this video up, if I needed to start all over today, this is what I will done. I'll choose a niche, I will build a store, I will find 10 to 15 products and I will test them. And I will micro-brand the site, I will do all the products in the same branding and everything like that, and I will just test. And actually, I will have tested really quick. If I will have done this today, I will have tested 3 products every time and just pump out. And in these 10 to 15 products, you will find your winner. That's almost certain. Of course, I can't promise you that, but I think you will do that. Or if you don't, do it again. Find another niche, 10 to 15 products, do it all over again with a new pixel, of course. That was all for this video. I hope you had learned something and got some value of this. If you did, please give me a like, a subscribe, and of course I see you in the next video. If I don't see you on ecombyNik, please join the program. And if you really want to learn how to do this, go to ecombynik.com. Here you can go to the blueprint, and you have 6 models who will teach you exactly how to do this. And you have model 7 to unlock extra knowledge, you have important links, you have bonus content, you have everything here. So if you want this to go a little bit faster and get more guidance on the way, and here you also can get contact with me directly and get guidance and help with your site, with your ads, with everything. Go to ecombynik.com. We got a really good offer right now, or just check out the other videos on the channel, and I will see you in the next video.